Hey. So I am literally at the university toilets and I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna make a video. So here it is. I've got my everyday bag. You know that everyday bag? That black bag that goes with everything. My question is, what do you put in that bag? What do you put in your everyday bag? And I'm not talking about the bag now. I'm actually talking about the bag of your heart. See, every day we carry stuff. We carry burdens, we carry hurt, we carry pain. And for what? And now I'm on the elevator, illustrating how dark our hearts can actually be, illustrating how dark our thoughts and our minds can actually be. And then the door opens. When the door opens, that's when freedom is obtained. And once you have obtained that freedom, your everyday bag is empty. So empty that bag, whatever bag it is. Oh, this is a nice tree. Aww. Yes, Christmas spirit. But yeah, so learn to empty your tree. See the mind. Whatever you think, you become. Whatever you think becomes your reality. You see, I thought I said tree, and then I said tree without knowing that I said tree. Be mindful of what you say. Be mindful of what you think about. Be mindful of what you decide to put inside of your little black bag. Peace.